Happy Sunday. Back in the car. A little bit late. But I was up until after midnight. And then I know I didn't fall asleep until about 2 a.m. And then I was up every hour. Horrible night's sleep. But we're launching the apps. I am in the middle of the 10 deliveries for an additional $20 bonus on DoorDash. Last night, I completed 5 deliveries, so I've got 5 more to go to get that 20 bucks. I'm going to try to go to see if I could get orders on DoorDash and not have to rely on the other apps. But at the same time, money's money. Clouds are rolling in. We're expect to get rain. I really don't want to do Walmart deliveries in the rain or grocery shopping. So we'll see if we can make this a DoorDash day. But I actually cleaned the windows, or tried to. You know, I got the spray cleaner. It's supposed to be streak free. We will soon find out. But let me turn you around a little bit, and hopefully that is a much more clear view right there, that you can see better. Maybe it'll cut down on the glare at night. But let's get on the road. First order of the day, shop and deliver order on DoorDash. Shopping at Giant Eagle. So I'm only shopping for 4 items. And it's $16 for 9 miles. Half of those miles is me driving to the Giant Eagle.
Grandma Dasher's been rolling all day, get home. Grabbing that produce, checking her list. She's got coupon smarts and a don't quit twist. Bag it, tag it, toss it in the trunk. Next stop's calling, there's no time to flunk. Sliding down the road, shopped and delivers her daily load. Up and down the aisle she goes, turning off donuts and crushing those goals. More coffee down the hatch, she's still going strong. Grandma Dasher been rolling all day long. Don't need a treadmill, she's got cart miles, pushing that buggy with grit and style. Every tip, every smile, every dash complete. She's the queen of the curb and she can't be beat. Grandma Dasher fueling up with grace. Another order drop, she's off to the race. Coffee cup clinking, players loud. She's a one-woman show making gig work pay. Donuts in the morning, miles by noon. Grandma Dash will be back real soon. Grandma Dash will be back real soon.
That shop was not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'll take those kind of shop and delivers all day long. I am on my way to the customer to deliver this order. one of the worst things that can happen when you're out here on the grind trying to make some moolah is for the intestines to decide to have a little temper tantrum. It's called IBS. And you know, some of you might say TMI, but I'm real, I'm transparent. In past videos, I've had issues. Today is no exception.
Turn left onto First Street.
So, I run into Sheets
At the
before I
light,
pick up the
turn left
alcohol
onto East Main Street.
alcohol order. Yeah, it wasn't pretty. Woman comes in after me, and she starts coughing because she walked right into a green cloud. Sorry about that. You got to look at a whole lot of nothing. Hand it to me, obviously, because I had to scan his ID. But went pretty smooth. Had to park in the middle of the street. And we got another banger coming in here. Felicia's Restaurant. $20.25. 9.2 miles. That's going back towards home anyhow. We are going to accept that baby.
Oh yeah.
Two 2,000 years later.
Hello, how are you? Not too bad. I wish it would stay summer though.
Right.
Okay, there's this. And this. Got them?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Two more to go till I finish the challenge and get an extra $20 for delivering 10 orders. It runs like from Friday, or actually from Saturday to Friday. So I did 5 yesterday and 3 today. I got 2 more. 2 more. Here comes the rain. It has literally dropped 10 degrees in the last couple of minutes since it started raining.
One eternity later.
The traffic has been insane. I came close to dropping this order, but I'm too close to my $20 bonus.
Cartwheel screaming down aisle 5. Barcode scanners buzzing, she's alive. Shopping list glowing on the phone in her hand. She's a woman on a mission. Got a plan, got a brand, cold cuts, canned goods, milk and bread. Dodging stock carts like a thoroughbred. Grab it, scan it, toss it in a rack. Grandma Dashers, burning rubber
You too.
She's on the clock, she's making time. Wearing sneakers, grit and style that scare my cashier. Running me out.
Oh, puppies. 2 of them.
Don't think she's gone another store down. Queen of the car with her invisible crown. Stock boys stare, cashiers cheer.
So yeah, I did a thing. Jersey Mike's just opened a couple days ago. That coupon from a previous video, a couple videos back, when I was picking up at Wingstop, that I was able to get any sub on the menu, regular size, for only $3. Basically what that $3 is a donation to one of the local high schools for their prom. And that $3, Jersey Mike's was donating that for that cause. Now, I did buy some chips and the drinks, but I got this, a $10.95, or you might as well say $11 hoagie, for $3. I need to go get dog food, and then I'm heading home, and I'll go over my numbers. Oh, I guess I should say, what sandwich did I get? It's called the bacon chicken ranch cheesesteak. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my dog food. Okay, we're gonna go over my numbers real quick. I'll try to make this painless. On all my platforms for today, my base earnings were $76.70. Plus, I made my $20 bonus, which brought me up to $96.70. I drove approximately 40 miles. And I got about $2.46 per mile. My hourly rate came out to $27.39 per hour. Pretty damn solid right there. My acceptance rate climbed 1% to 74%. And you can see my clock in and clock out times there as well. And I went ahead and added up all of my platforms for the entire week. So for this week, I made $610.26. One of the best weeks that I've had in a very long time. Before Walmart Spark came back on board, and long before Instacart, I would average about $300 to $400 a week. My income just doubled by adding these other platforms. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. That's it for this ride. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out the next Dash adventure. Catch you on the road. Keep on hustling.